Previously on Quori's World. So we're looking for Niagara Falls, y'all, because we posted right now. Well, we got to for a second. This look good. I'm just gonna hold it. Look at that. Y'all see that smoke and stuff? Do y'all see that? Good morning, y'all. I just woke up. I have on zero makeup, but I forgot to close out the vlog from yesterday, but I did want to show you guys what our Airbnb did look like. So while everybody's getting dressed, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, starting from the front, because I'm sorry, it's like super dark in here. And on top of that, when I say I literally just opened my eyes, like literally just opened my eyes. We were so tired last night. We got no sleep. We got like zero sleep. That Thursday night, we got zero sleep Friday night. So, all right. So I'm gonna start from the beginning. This is the outside, right? So, can y'all see that outside of the house? And then you come all the way down, you know, the steps to which leads to here, which is the basement. And here, I know it looks like a a damn scary movie the way it's set up. So we close this door. Okay, so from here you come on through. So nothing in here, as you can see. Leads to this room here. So in this room, there's really nothing in here either. You know, besides like the little y'all know what this thing called, the water pressure thingy heater, whatever, hot water heater. You know, she tells us to leave our shoes out here so she can keep it clean, which is very nice and clean. You know what I'm saying? It's not like it's all whatever. So through these through this little thing right here is like the laundry room / bathroom. So yeah, not my idea of where the shower would be at, but you know, hey, it's gonna work. And it did work. It worked for us last night, so that's all that matters. So this is the shower, which is like the first thing you come across, and also / the laundry room. I'm not gonna I'll take it back. It's clean. It's just not what I expected. 'Cause like it's under construction, so that's what I say. It's under construction. So that's the laundry room / bathroom. I mean / shower / through this door. Let me zoom in. We focus. If you come through this door, this leads to like the rest of the place. So it doesn't look bad. It looks very good in here. It leads like straight to the kitchen / the room. So over here, this is my suitcase. She has like a sofa. It works. But as you can see, that's the kitchen. Got a fridge, stove, microwave, sink, you know, typical stuff. And she was nice enough to leave us soda and water. And you know, right here, telling us what the Wi-Fi thing is, and you know, also her, you know, her little, you know, general house rules. And right here, it's the TV. I did utilize it last night. I didn't really watch it, but cut it on just to see if it worked, honestly. And a little fireplace, because it is kind of chilly down here. And let me cut on the light. Oh, sorry, you guys. Maybe I should have cut the light on to begin with. Give you guys a view of everything. Okay, so here's the stairs. Now the stairs actually leads to her home, like the regular part of her home. So she doesn't, you know, she does have access, but you know, not to a point where you would come down and disturb or anything. But This is where she is, and that's the rest of the home, leads to the rest of her home. But we're down here. And then here is actually a spare bedroom, which I did not utilize last night because it's so off in the cut over here. And it looks okay for right now. It doesn't look bad. I may utilize it tomorrow night, to be quite frank, because we all definitely slept in the same bed. But we came here so late, it just was kind of creeping me out to be in this room. I wasn't really feeling it. So I mean, but I may come in here tomorrow, you know, just so everyone can be comfortable in their own little space. I'm gonna show you the other room. But yeah, I took a pillow out of here though. But you know, this is one of the rooms. It's just so far back here. Like, it's so, you know, it's like, you know, closet space right here. I'm not sure what's over here. I'm not sure if we even supposed to go in there, but it's the closet. So I'm not sure what she has in there. It's the room. So this is the room we all utilized last night. Because I was definitely being a scaredy cat and didn't want to go in the other room. Y'all see my shoes and my socks. So this is one of the other rooms. That's Shonda over there getting dressed. Pretty much where we all slept at last night, because I was being a scaredy cat because that other room looked kind of creepy. You know, definitely nice. It gets the job done. Yeah, that's pretty much it about this room. I'll give y'all like an area view. So this is the restroom. It's close. It's next to the door, right here. That's the restroom. I mean, it's really just, you know, toilet. You got your toilet. You got your sink. You got your mirror. Typical restroom. Let me go on the light. So, and that's me. So that pretty much completes everything. That's pretty much the entire Airbnb that we're staying at while we're in Canada. So it's really nice. I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning it kind of creeped me out a little bit. I don't want to be too loud because the lady is like up there. Okay, like I was explaining to you guys, when we first got here to the Airbnb, it was I'm trying to like be quiet because the lady, she does live upstairs from us in the actual Airbnb. We didn't know she was going to be actually like there at the actual residence. And you know, we stayed in the basement at the bottom, as you can see, but we were kind of not really scared, but like kind of just a little suspicious of our surroundings, because once again, we're out of the country. Even though Canada is like really a skip and a hop away from the US, it's just, you know, we just want to make sure we was aware of our surroundings. You know, this would be like my very first time being in the actual Airbnb, period. I don't think I've ever really stayed in an Airbnb, so we just, you know, I was a little skeptical, but I was pretty much explaining that in this part. I was trying to talk really low, but I don't think you guys would have been able to hear me, because once again, the lady lived upstairs, and she didn't come down from upstairs, not once as far as we know. But still, you know, kind of want to be courteous. I don't want to be talking all loud, talking bad about her house or whatever like that. But it was livable. It was comfortable for the time being. Would I recommend it? I mean, if you have no other choice and it's kind of last minute, like we were very last minute with picking this spot, I say go for it. It's not that bad, especially if you're staying with more than one person. And once again, the actual owner of the home, she was, you know, kind of sweet. It was a little misunderstanding in the beginning when we first got there, but for the most part, she didn't bother us whatsoever. So if you're interested, once again, I'll probably just like drop the link down below. If I can remember, you know, the exact location where we stayed, I'll put it in the description box below. But that's pretty much it, you guys. That's all I was pretty much explaining in this clip. I'm not filming, huh? Is the key to the door? Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty outside. I don't know. It's been wet. It was like that when we first got here. Right. Oh, she left. She is gone. This is our Airbnb. I don't know if I want to show this lady house like that. All right, y'all. So we are just not getting out, and we are finna hit up the CN Tower, and then we're gonna head to the aquarium after that. So today's gonna be a productive day. We got everything set and ready to go. Make sure I got my pass with me. Okay, I got my pass. Baby got on her heels. Okay, look at her. She got on her heels. And you gonna do all this walking?
These are comfortable.
Okay. Okay. It's the CN Tower, y'all. The thing's so high up. We're going to the aquarium. Well, the CN Tower first. Get up under some lights, I can take some pictures. It's there, it's doing what I needed to do.
Alright everyone, welcome to the CN Tower.
Oh, look how high we up. Look how high are we here.
My name is Shmo. Today I'll be taking you guys up to the lookout level. Out here we have the southeast side of the city of Toronto. You guys can also take a look through the two glass panels below our feet to see our progress as we're heading up. Currently going up at a speed of 22 kilometers, 15 miles per hour. It'll take us around 58 seconds to reach the lookout level.
Oh, my ears are starting to pop. This is cool.
Look down here to my
Look how high we are.
You're right there.
my ears.
My ears are really popping.
Right.
Views.
Okay, why are we like right in the front though? I'm about to freak out.
Once we're at the lookout level, if you guys would like to go even higher, you can buy tickets to go to the Sky Pod. Look for the information that says Sky Pod. And if you're not interested in that, when you guys are finished looking around, take the stairs down to the glass floor level. On that level, the elevators will take you back.
I am not going to that edge. Did you look on the floor?
Yeah, I was right there. Y'all are scary.
I'm not scared. I used to be able to do this.
We are finally up here, y'all. Oh my God, it's so cool.
Oh my God.
Look how nice it looks.
I feel like
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I don't. I could have did it. Look, look how close I am. Yeah. Y'all gotta live a little. Y'all look behind me. There's a lot going on right there. There's a lot going on. It's so cool. Oh my, this is some good lighting. Oh my God, yes. I'm feeling this light. Y'all look at.
Lord, I'm recording.
It's so nice. Y'all look, we're on the floor, and there's more people down there, like on the second level. They being scary cats. They don't want to go down there. And she got on heels too. I don't know what she's scared gonna happen. This is another part too. Your feet is on it. You might as well go. I'm gonna jump on it with. Look. One small step for, oh man, what is it? See? Nothing.
Girl, I'm about to go.
They so scared to walk. You walking on it now, they so scared to walk on this thing. I think it's pretty cool. Oh my God. It's so nice over here, the water. How far down? Yeah, I was trying to get it right away though. Yeah, let me get right here. Y'all look, I'm sitting down. Butt is on the thing. Taking a pic. And look how far down I am. Look how far up I am and how far down that is. Yeah, I do at any point. Okay, y'all, so I'm like on the ground and it's like glass. So this is pretty cool. This is one of the coolest things about it. Okay, let me get a pic real quick. I don't know if y'all can really see, but it's really high up. Huh? Who's pushing you? Me? Oh, sorry. We are in, it's not Chinatown, it's like Kingston something. Something smells delicious, like some pizza. Ooh, Dirty Bird chicken and waffles. It might be good.